Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Pico with another video. And damn, it's cold today. Yep, we're gonna have that snowstorm today. Supposedly tonight.
Sorry
I mean,
guys
it
if you
says like
cannot
in
hear
half
me.
an hour.
It was really windy
I
and
can
cold.
I stopped by here to
Hope you liked
see
the video.
if we get some snow. So I want to test this bike on the snow. So we see what happens. I'll probably wait for half an hour to see what's up. I want to try it out, even though it's really cold. Wow, I think it's like 30 right now, 30 degrees. There's people walking. I mean, I'm not trying to go crazy, just driving my bike. So bored in my house. Come out early again, came out at 11. It's nothing to do home. I got my PS5, but I don't know, man. I get bored with that. So I'd rather just take my bike and get some fresh air. Do some little bit of exercise. But yeah, so how everybody's doing. This is how New York is, man. The weather, cold. Especially here in the beach, you feel the wind, you feel that cold because of the water. But yeah, man. Do some exercise. So 2 days ago, I bought on Amazon. I bought the foot pad. What do you call it? For a second seat for somebody could get on, and it didn't work well. It did work, but it's like the one that you fold, and I didn't like that. One of them was an opposite down, the other one was up. So I tried my like half an hour, figured out how I'm gonna do it, and I was like, you know what? Let me return it. So I returned that one, and I got a regular one, standard. Just don't fold it, just like that. So hope I get that. It says on Monday, so it looked pretty cool, man. Having a second, like a foot pad, so somebody could sit next to me and ride together. Even though I don't like sharing, I want to just ride by myself. But yeah, man. These guys getting ready for the storm. They got the salt. I thought it was gonna be like empty, but there's a few people walking. Probably bored home, like I said, like me. So I gotta work out, move my legs. I was just close to by my house. tight. And somebody told me, yo, you got a nice bike. I was like, thanks, man. You know, I don't know, man. I like this one better, to be honest. This is gonna be like my travel one. The other one's gonna be like my second one, just in case there's something wrong with this one. I gotta back up. It's not that cold now, you know, because I'm here doing exercise. You know, I'm gonna get hot like in half an hour. Watch. Sorry guys, I'm trying to take my, I have a face, I got a mask, ski mask, I think what you call it, cover my face, but it's getting too hot now. Sorry guys, feeling uncomfortable. Chilling spot over here in summertime. Just sit down here, eat my chips with a juice. Just chill, you know. Ooh, you feel that wind. Can't wait for the summer, man. I'm taking this juice bike on Manhattan, man. I don't know if you guys see my other videos. I took my Ford X to the ferry, to the boat. Went all the way to Harlem, almost to the Bronx. It was nice, man. You see a lot of people with different type of bikes, e-bike, scooter, electric, you know, everything, one wheel. A skateboard, electric skateboard. Nice, man. Can't wait for next year. Hopefully, man. Yeah, man. Just chilling like a villain. Hope everyone have a wonderful holidays, you know, with their family. Even though it's not the same this year. Terrible. I think people playing soccer. Why not, right? Yeah, man. Man, I hope I get the chance to meet other people with this scrambler e-bikes, different brand, juice group. You know, I always want to ride one of those group in Manhattan, you know, or whatever the city, Brooklyn, you know, New York. Hopefully next summer, man. Alright guys, I got you back in a bit. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back again. I guess the snow don't want to come in. It says that 1, it's 105. Now it says 2. And it's really cold. I cannot stand here by the water, by the go, by the traffic. Street is. So cold, man. Wow, so cold, man. Shit. Let me see what's the difference from here. It's almost the same thing, man. Woo, so cold. I feel like going back where I came from is more windy than going this way, you know. Oh, unless the wind is going high more, the time is flicking, you know. But I feel like going this way is the air is going more, blowing this way. Jesus Christ, man. Woo. Guys, go home, stop playing soccer. That's crazy, man. I'd probably go to the bowl walk on the other side. I don't want to get a ticket. I don't know if I can get a ticket for driving here. Sidewalk. And you know what I forgot? If it was gonna snow, I forgot to put a plastic on my battery, because I heard that when you be outside too much with the rain or the snow, it damaged the battery, supposedly. And I see some people on the group on Facebook. So I don't want that to happen to me, you know. I just got this bike, you know. So that's what I forgot, to put a plastic, wrap it up with tape, you know. But right now I'm good, you know, it's not snowing. It's just cold. Woo. It is what it is. It is what it is. Sucker. Alright, I think I'm doing exercise so I don't feel the cold no more. Oh, my hands getting frozen. I feel like I'm about to go speed mode. You know, when I say speed mode, I say speed mode. Let's go this way. Oh. I'm gonna crash. I hate these things over here. Okay. I'm gonna go speed mode. Even though the more speed you go, the more air you get, you know. Yo, that guy's just some crazy motherfucker running with shorts, and that's why they cry when they get older. Oh, my legs, my bones, you know. Stupid. Just don't wear nothing. You know what I mean? Don't wear nothing. Don't wear a sweater. Fuck it, you know. Sorry for my language, guys. Yeah, man. Oh. So I made 101 miles on this bike. Hey, and more to go. 102 now. Nice. Oh my God, the wind. It's cold. It's brick out here in New York City. I should have stayed home. Oof. Oof. Jesus. This is not cool at all, guys. I only brought 2 sweater. 2 sweater, a ski mask, my full helmet. I have a pants, a socks. That's in my shoes, man. Jesus, next time I gotta get prepared, man. No. I don't know, guys, you can hear me because the wind. Probably not, man. Woo. Woo. Wow. Wow. Last week was nice. Now it's cold. Weird weather. Hey, doggy. Oh my God, man. No, this is crazy. I don't know if I should go straight by the bridge. I'm cold, man. I probably might not go. So, guys, I'm gonna end my video because it's cold, and I don't know if I should make another video next day, but I don't know, man. The weather is really cold, man. I'll probably see, because I don't see no snow, man. That's why I came here to record the snow, but I guess not. So guys, if anything, have a great holiday. Stay safe with your family. God bless everybody for watching this channel. I appreciate it. You give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And till next time, guys. Alright, guys. Peace.